In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Notion. If you are moving notes, tasks, or spreadsheets into Notion, there are two quick ways to get to the import tools, and I'll walk you through both so you can choose what's fastest for you. First, look to the left-hand sidebar. Depending on your Notion version, you'll either click Settings and Members and then find Import. Or you might see Import listed directly in the sidebar. Both paths take you to the same place. Once you are there, you'll see options to bring content in from different file types or connected apps. Think of this menu as your central hub. Choose the source that matches your content, and Notion guides you with on-screen prompts from there. This route is great when you are already in the sidebar managing your workspace and want a clear visual way to start an import. The second method is even faster when you are already working on a page. On any Notion page, type the /command/import to open the import menu right where you are. /commands are Notion's built-in shortcuts, and /import is one of the most helpful for pulling content in without breaking your flow. If the command doesn't appear, make sure your cursor is in the main body of a page and not inside a database cell or a title field. A few helpful notes as you pick your method. Notion typically creates a new page or database during import, keeping your existing content safe. If you are bringing in structured data like a CSV, clear column headers usually become property names, and consistent formatting tends to yield the best results. Large files may take a moment, so it's normal to see a brief processing step. In shared workspaces, import options can vary based on permissions or admin settings. So if you don't see an option you expect, that's the first place to check. Different Notion versions may label things slightly differently, which is why you might see import directly in the sidebar in some cases, and under Settings and Members in others. Whether you prefer the sidebar path for a more guided start or the /import shortcut for speed, both approaches lead to the same import menu and the same outcome: getting your external content into Notion efficiently. Once the import completes, you can review the new page or database and begin organizing, filtering, or styling it just like any other Notion content. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.